So kemen hadu kata-kata ladaba kenupluki project laban pendep hakapur kebetulan kam na kebenta kecing toy kejoki Paidbah. Kene ke project ke multi facility center hani Byrnihat ngaken mau hakedugopur hakejingisha kene ke project. I remember this project, it should not have happened here. It should be of some other areas, some other constituencies. But we are fortunate enough at that particular area where they could not get the land. So I happened to be there at the time sitting with the Honorable Chief Minister, and then right away I requested Sir, Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, that please sir, we have land. I don't locate which land. What is it? Land we have. Yes sir, we have land. So right away sir, he said okay. And then they finalized this area here, and it has come out very beautifully.